Hi there, it's Friday the 20th of March 2015 and my name's Andy Rowe and this is trendfollower.co.uk and in this video I'm just going to run through the key indices that I like to have a look at each week just to see how they're getting on because you never know, that might have an influence on my trading for the week. So I'm going to start off with the French index, which this week has gone up nicely, so a nice upward candle. You know, it's funny, suddenly it looks like it's been going up for ages, whereas my memory of the graph is that it hasn't really been going up, but suddenly I look at the graph tonight, I think, gosh, it's been going up nicely for ages. And the DAX, it kind of looks like, I should have known ages ago that it was all going up and doing really well. But it kind of didn't seem like that at the time. So it's kind of weird psychological thing about how we look at graphs, or maybe the graphs change or something, or sort of distortions occur in the graph, as the weeks go by, and it changes our perceptions of it. But it kind of looks like, well, why didn't I get on board this ages ago? It would kind of be obvious, wouldn't it? But of course, if we block out the everything from here, then of course it wasn't obvious. Was it going down? Was it going up? Well, it really wasn't very clear. It's very volatile, and it's only really in these last few weeks that suddenly it looks like it's all going up, and it's obvious to get on board and go up, isn't it? But just say things turn around next week and things started to go down, then it would all of course feel very different, and then suddenly it would look after a while that things have been going down for ages and this was just a ridiculous blip. So it's a kind of bizarre thing about visual references. So to me this doesn't sort of tie with my memory of the DAX last week and the week before, but maybe it's just me. The FTSE 100 has gone up nicely, so I say nicely, it's gone up a bit, and popped up above the recent high of 3 weeks ago. So good on you if you're trading the FTSE. Ditto the FTSE 250, which has gone up, made another new high. I was trying to short the FTSE 250 down here spectacularly unsuccessfully, and it took me a while to realise that it's going up. Again, one of those things with the benefit of hindsight, it was kind of obvious, but at the time it didn't really seem to be quite so obvious. FTSE 350, much like the FTSE 100 as ever, going up a bit. Japanese Nikkei going up. TR property, so this is my sort of take on the property market. It's gone up. It had a couple of bad weeks actually, fell right back, and with the benefit of hindsight you think, well, buying opportunity, to hit the MA20, good time to buy. Well, not if it kept going down, of course, but now it's gone up again. You think, oh, I wish I'd bought down here. So psychology of trading, it's a difficult one. The Dow Jones average has gone up a little bit this week, the DJI. Nasdaq, ditto, hasn't gone past its highs, so that's interesting. Bonds have gone up a little bit, and the S&P 500 has gone up a little bit. The Aussie index has gone up quite a bit this week, hasn't quite past the highs of 2 weeks ago. Gold has gone up a bit. It's just had a bad run over the past few weeks, but has gone up. Interestingly, its low wasn't as low as the low in sort of October/November. So maybe that was the low. Maybe it's up from here. Maybe not, who knows. Oil's gone down. You can see I've been going long oil, and it's going down. So how far down will it go? Who knows? For sure oil won't go down to zero. Oil's pretty handy stuff, so we do all sorts of things with oil. So we're going to want it at some stage, and there'll be a time when we'll look back at these trades that I've done here at sort of $19 and $23, and that'll look cheap. At the moment it looks foolish and expensive, but my plan with oil is to actually just accumulate positions in oil gradually, as the weeks go by, assuming it's going down, and not have a stop loss in place. But that's not trend trading, that's something very different. So and that wasn't advice, by the way. So make your own trades at your own risk. I'm just talking on this blog about what I do. So oil's gone down this week anyway. Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF's gone up. So there we go. That's the market. So Europe seems to be going up. The UK has gone up somewhat. 250, FTSE 250, I guess more obviously so. America's recovered up a little bit, not gone past its highs. Gold seems to have maybe just perked up a little bit. Will it go up? Will it go down? Who knows? Bonds, seem to go up. They go down. They're up a little bit this week. That's fine. Australia is up. Yeah, most things are up. That doesn't mean they'll be up next week, of course. But that's the markets for you this week. Everything's looking quite bullish, quite positive. People are buying by the look of things, but that doesn't mean it'll continue forever. So there we go. So what I'll do in my other video is look through my open positions and see how they're doing. They'll have gone up because the markets are up. So that'll be good. So do make sure you check out the other video. And so that's my view of the markets. Hope you enjoyed that, and stay safe and happy trading. And I'll catch up with you next week. Bye for now.